is this? Where is this? Is it in France? No. Is it in Australia? No. Where? Everyone, where is it?
Where is it?
I think
it's Africa.
Africa. Excellent, Clémence. Clémence thinks it's in Africa. Okay. So we're going to a village. A village in France?
In Africa.
Oh, in Africa. Sorry. In Africa. Good. Okay. And what do you do? What do you do in a village? Okay. What do you do in a village? Everyone, I get water.
I get water.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I go home.
I go home.
I get wood.
I get wood.
I grow food.
I grow food.
Okay. I grind food.
I grind food.
I cook food.
I cook food.
I wash dishes.
I wash dishes.
Okay, are you ready for a little song?
Okay.
Yes.
In a village, in a village.
In a village, in a village.
What do you do in a village?
What do you do in a village?
I get the water.
I get the water.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I go home.
I go home.
I get the wood.
I get the wood.
I grow the food.
I grow the food.
I grind the food.
I grind the food.
I cook the food.
I cook the food.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
Excellent. What do you do in a village, Olivia?
I get the water.
Oh, good. What do you do in a village?
I go to school.
Good. Everyone, what
Do you do in a village?
I go home.
Good.
What do you do in a village?
I get the wood.
I get the wood.
I get the wood.
What do you do in a village?
I cook the food.
Oh,
I
good.
cook
Everyone.
the food. Great. What do you do in a village?
I wash the dishes.
Oh, good. I don't like